when these moms are losing everything they have, and they're being displaced to other places, their supply can be affected by that. Breast milk works by supply and demand. And so if they don't have access to these pumps, they're not able to pump. And so then therefore their milk supply decreases. When moms pump, they store their milk into these freezers. But when natural disasters occur, they lose their electricity, and especially in the flooding, it came through and it just wiped out all of their stash of milk. I wanted to share with these moms because I know what it's like to be in a hard place with your child, and if I could alleviate some of that stress for these moms, then my job is done. Unfortunately, we have 2 more hurricanes that are getting ready to hit. And if we can be ready for these mamas and help these mamas and these babies out, that's our job. So that's what we've been called to do.